down here in Shorewood, Glendale seeing the heavier rain, Mequon seeing some torrential rainfall as well, and in Cedarburg and Grafton just starting at this moment just to see the heavier rain showers move in. Stockville seeing some light rain, but the heaviest just to the west out towards Newburgh, and West Bend continuing to see heavy rain. We know there's a lot of low-lying spots once you get out towards West Bend and Slinger because of the terrain, thanks to the area out there. So we're going to have to watch out for low-lying spots with the flooding as well, as that area just, they have those spots like we do here in the city because of the rolling terrain. Kewaskum starting to see the heavy rains move in. Kohler, Fredonia, and Belgium, I would say within the next 10 minutes at the most.
I don't know.
These are all areas under a severe thunderstorm warning until 4 o'clock this evening as we zoom back out and show you from just north of downtown Milwaukee all the way up into Fond du Lac County. This has basically become a squall line, and it's moving in a weird direction. It is moving to the north-northeast, not from west to east like most squall lines do. That is because of a warm front draped across the region, and we continue to monitor western portions of Fond du Lac County under a tornado watch tornado warning until 4:15 this afternoon for the Ripon area, just to the west of Rosendale. I think Ripon right now is seeing probably the worst weather in all of southeastern Wisconsin with the torrential rain, the potential for some large hail and some damaging winds, and this area continues to be monitored.
The lights are flickering. The lightning strike. It's a thunderstorm on Tuesday night. It's raining harder. It's hard to see, but we're getting a heavy thunderstorm. You can hear the water intensifying. Hear it raining harder. Yeah. crazy. See that? I'm going to close this now because it's getting dangerous. This is our back door. Yeah, the lightning's getting more violent, so I shut the door. Just for my safety. This is our patio door. Whoa.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I'm recording it on the camera.
It looks like he's calling for the Bronx. Yep, I tell you, any time is a great time for using your sausage. Hey, buddy, throw one of those up here. Always was a great receiver.
Why should you buy your next certified vehicle from John Paul Buick GMC? We take a GM certified to the next level. Call up 4 oil changes, 2 tires.
The street's flooding again.
Air filter, brake pads for life, and free car washes. All of these come on top of GM's bumper-to-bumper warranty. A 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty.
You hit Milwaukee too?
Yeah.
Stop in now and qualify for
It went there first and came up our way.
GM certified vehicle.
So in other words, they could have got an inch, huh?
In Greenfield,
Yeah.
100 just north of Beloit Road.
Probably even more than that. Oh, I thought our power went out.
Back at Miller Park, some news and notes around Major League Baseball. Hunter Pence of the Astros probably out until Friday with an elbow injury. Chipper Jones returned to the Braves lineup. He missed 4 games. And the Yankees and the Reds rained out tonight in Cincinnati. The Yankees won last night. So a game lost due to rain.
Play 2 tomorrow. And the Tampa Bay Rays head to Houston after this series with the Brewers.
Rays on a 6-game road trip. Nigel Morgan leads off. 0 for 1 tonight. He dropped down a sacrifice bunt in the first inning. The only non-interleague game on the schedule tonight, the Phillies and the Cardinals. St. Louis without Albert Pujols. They have a 1-0 lead over Roy Halladay and the Phillies. That game is in the 6th inning now. Kyle McClellan pitching for St.
Whoa.
And they're going to let it roll. It just got on the lip and rolled foul.
Yeah, once it makes its way on that dirt, down the line, it's pretty much going to go foul. Very rarely does it hold its ground in fair territory. The trick is to get it to stay on the grass, or with the speed and the spin, I should say, that ball trickles in foul territory.
One and two on Morgan. And a little half swing. Ejecting, says Bob Davidson. 2 balls, 2 strikes. The Brewers start today a half game back of the Cardinals in the National League Central. Ontario had the RBI against Roy Halladay. Cardinals got that run in the 5th inning. So it's 1-0.
Yeah.
Halladay.
The streets flooded. I'm trying to see the manholes.
Rays beat the Blue Jays tonight.
Hard to see.
Chipper Jones in the lineup, 5-1. Fly ball, shallow center, Upton wants it. And there is out number 1. We remind you, you can vote for your favorite Brewers.